If you've recently purchased a drone, you're probably really excited to fly it as soon as possible. However, there are 3 important things that you need to make sure that you have completed before you can take off. First, before you can even fly your drone for the first time, you need to make sure that you register it with the FAA. If it weighs more than 0.55 pounds and less than 55 pounds. Registration is not very expensive and it only costs $5 per aircraft and lasts for 3 years. Second, make sure to label your drone with your registration number. Your registration number will be fully provided to you once you register your drone. 3. Know the rules of flying your drone. Make sure to stay below the maximum allowable altitude. This is 400 feet or 121 meters. Make sure to keep your drone in your line of sight. Do not fly in a controlled airspace or around and above airports. Never fly near another aircraft. You cannot fly within 5 miles of an airport without notifying the air traffic control and the airport. Don't fly over groups of people. This includes schools, stadiums, hospitals, and power plants. Another helpful tip is to download the app before you fly, if you fly your drone recreationally. This can show you where you can and cannot fly, and it even includes interactive maps. Know when not to fly. Don't fly when it's dark. Don't fly near emergencies. For example, accident response, firefighting, hurricane recovery efforts, or law enforcement activities. Do not fly your drone in adverse weather conditions, and never fly under the influence of alcohol or drugs. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you want to find more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see any other content, make sure to leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!